Okay, so I got a 923, 25, 26, 27, 28 problem. When your fan clutch is locked up and the motor's hot. Should you be able to do that? Notice I'm getting movement in the fan clutch hub itself, right? But I also get just a little bit out of the main pulleys. And I see everything. The accessory belts, they all move just a little bit. My concern is, see, I would totally be freaking out, but there's no in and out movement. It's just a side to side. My concern is I got a bad keyway. So if someone was handy, had your truck warm, can you give yours a wiggle? Tell me if these belts move ever so tiniest little bit back and forth, and whether this thing moves like that. I'd appreciate it.